Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Ford flip key. This key was found for models starting from 2007 up until 2015-16. We're talking about models like Ford Focus, Ford Fiesta, Ford Mondeo. Relatively simple procedure. You don't really need the use of any tools. Just with your hand you can, I like to say, break it open. So you just push it from one side and the other and it opens up. And again, with your fingers you can open the case by pushing here and here. If you do need to use a rather medium head screwdriver and open the back of the case. Okay, it opens in two pieces, and on the back here you'll have the battery. Once removed, have a look at the serial. In our case it's a CR2032. When placing the battery back in place, please make sure you put the positive side up, align it together, a clip, that's it, and then we put the blade back in place. It just slides into position like so, and it clicks. Okay, the key is now ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, leave us a comment below. Have a good day.